Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on how to install VLC Media Player. VLC is a versatile and popular media player that's available for free. I'll walk you through the installation process step by step. Step 1. Visit VLC official website. First, open your web browser. Go to the official VLC Media Player website. You can find the website by simply searching for VLC Media Player on your favorite search engine. Step 2. Locate VLC version. On the VLC website, you'll see the latest version of VLC Media Player. Ensure you're on the official website to download the genuine software. Step 3. Start download now. Click on the download link provided. If the download doesn't start automatically, look for an alternative link that says click here and click on it. This will initiate the download. Step 4. Open downloaded file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. You can usually find it in your computer's downloads folder. Step 5. Begin installation. Double-click on the downloaded file to open the installer. This will start the installation process. Step 6. Check additional files. In the installation wizard, you may be given the option to install additional files or components. Review these options and if needed, check the boxes for any extras you want to install. Step 7. Complete installation. After selecting your preferences, click on the Next button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You may be asked to choose an installation location or create shortcuts. Step 8. Run VLC. Once the installation is finished, you can run VLC Media Player by clicking on the Run button or using the desktop shortcut if you created one during installation. Congratulations! You've successfully installed VLC Media Player on your computer. It's a powerful and feature-rich media player that can handle a wide range of audio and video formats. Enjoy using VLC for all your media playback needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips.